Did your 2019 Ram 1500 backup camera go dark right after a battery change? Statistically, most of these camera issues are just communication glitches triggered by the power cycle. It is time to reset the system. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable for 10 minutes to clear the Uconnect cache. If a hard reset fails, check your fuse box and inspect the tailgate harness for any pinched wires. You might also need a dealer-level proxy alignment to resync the camera module with your truck. Try the basic resets at home before committing to a costly trip to the service department. The price difference between a simple DIY reset and a dealer diagnostic fee is significant. If you are comfortable using a multimeter, verify that the harness is receiving 12 volts with the ignition on. Keep these basic tools in your truck to handle these electrical gremlins yourself. Remember that modern electrical systems are sensitive, so always ensure your battery connections are solid. If this helped you identify the issue, hit subscribe for more RAM troubleshooting tips.